The waterfall K50 at Con Churang Nature Reserve is one of the most spectacular natural wonders in Vietnam, and a trekking tour to this waterfall is an unforgettable experience that should be on the bucket list of every nature lover. Asia Pacific Travel Vietnam offers a comprehensive and customizable package tour of 2 or 3 days that includes a trekking tour to the waterfall K50, sightseeing at the jungle forest, and an overnight stay at the Hotel Mang Den, located in the central highlands of Vietnam. Con Churang Nature Reserve is a vast protected area that encompasses a diverse range of ecosystems, from dense tropical forests to rugged mountains and pristine rivers. The reserve is home to a rich and varied flora and fauna, including many rare and endangered species, making it a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. The waterfall K50 is undoubtedly one of the most impressive features of the reserve. This magnificent waterfall cascades down a series of rock formations, forming a natural swimming pool at the bottom. The trek to the waterfall is challenging but rewarding, taking you through dense forests, across rocky streams, and up steep slopes. Along the way, you will encounter many species of plants and animals, including orchids, bamboo, monkeys, and birds. Once you reach the waterfall K50, you will be amazed by the sheer beauty and power of the cascading water. You can take a refreshing swim in the cool, crystal clear water and relax in the shade of the surrounding trees. A picnic lunch will be provided, allowing you to refuel and take in the stunning scenery before embarking on the trek back. Apart from the waterfall K50, there are many other attractions to explore in Con Churang Nature Reserve. One of the most popular is the jungle forest, a dense and diverse ecosystem that is home to a wide range of wildlife. A sightseeing tour of the jungle forest will take you deep into the heart of the reserve, where you can observe animals like deer, wild boar, and monkeys in their natural habitat. You can also learn about the various plants and trees that grow in the jungle forest, many of which are used for medicinal purposes by the local people. After a long day of trekking and sightseeing, you will retire to the Hotel Mang Den, a cozy and comfortable hotel that offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The hotel is located in the highlands of Vietnam, surrounded by lush greenery and stunning mountain views. You can relax in the spacious and well-appointed rooms, enjoy a delicious Vietnamese dinner at the hotel restaurant, or simply unwind on the terrace and soak up the tranquility of the surroundings. Asia Pacific Travel Vietnam offers a comprehensive and customizable package tour of 2 or 3 days that includes transportation, accommodation, meals, and guided tours of the reserve and other attractions in the area. The tour can depart from Hoi An or other nearby cities, and can be tailored to suit your preferences and interests. Whether you are a seasoned trekker or a first-time visitor to Vietnam, the tour is designed to provide you with an unforgettable experience that showcases the best of this beautiful country. In conclusion, the waterfall K50 at Con Churang Nature Reserve is a must-see destination in Vietnam that offers breathtaking natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and unique cultural experiences. A trekking tour to the waterfall, sightseeing at the jungle forest, and an overnight stay at the Hotel Mang Den are excellent ways to explore the reserve and immerse yourself in the local culture. With a package tour from Asia Pacific Travel Vietnam, you can be assured of a seamless and hassle-free experience, as well as knowledgeable and friendly guides who will share their insights and expertise. So why wait? Book your tour today and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. The K50 Waterfall is a magnificent natural wonder located in the heart of Vietnam, offering tourists a breathtaking experience of enjoying the green and clear waterfall amidst a typical landscape. The waterfall is nestled amidst dense forests and offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The K50 Waterfall is an ideal destination for nature lovers who wish to explore the beauty of Vietnam. The waterfall offers a spectacular view of the cascading waters falling from a height of 50 meters, creating a soothing and serene environment. The sound of the waterfall and the fresh air surrounding it provide a calming and peaceful experience for tourists. Tourists visiting the K50 Waterfall are accompanied by professional tour guides who are well versed with the area's history, culture, and ecology. The tour guides provide in-depth knowledge about the waterfall, its surroundings, and its significance, making the experience more meaningful and informative. The K50 Waterfall is a popular tourist destination in Vietnam, with Asia Pacific Travel Vietnam offering professional tour services to make the experience even more enjoyable. The travel agency provides a range of services, including transportation, accommodation, and meals, ensuring a hassle-free experience for tourists. In conclusion, the K50 Waterfall is a must-visit destination for tourists visiting Vietnam, offering a picturesque view of nature's beauty and a serene escape from the city's chaos. Contact Asia Pacific Travel Vietnam now to explore this magnificent natural wonder with a professional tour guide.